Your creative response, SAC, isn't a test of natural talent. It's a test of preparation. Success is built, not born, and it starts months before you even see the prompt. The foundation is deep knowledge. Read your texts multiple times until you know the characters' voices, the rhythm of the language, and the themes that pulse beneath the surface. Practice creative writing weekly, not just essays, but monologues, diary entries, letters. This builds your creative muscle and flexibility. You're not just learning the text, you're learning to inhabit it. In the week leading up to the SAC, shift from learning to rehearsing. Run full, timed simulations. Practice writing a 700-word creative piece and a 300-word explanation, all within the time limit. This proves you can do it. The night before? Don't cram. Your brain needs rest more than one last frantic read. Organize your materials, get some sleep, and visualize yourself performing calmly and confidently. When the clock starts, that first 15 minutes of reading time is gold. Don't write a single sentence of your response. Use every second to dissect the prompt. Choose your character and form, and outline both your creative piece and your explanation. A solid plan is your roadmap. Without it, you'll get lost. Allocate your time strictly. Aim for about an hour on the creative piece and a solid 30 minutes on the explanation. Remember, that explanation is where you prove your understanding. It's worth nearly a third of your mark, so don't treat it as an afterthought. If anxiety hits, breathe, ground yourself, reframe the feeling. You're not nervous, you're ready. You're excited to show what you know. Trust the work you've done. Excellence under pressure isn't magic. It's the result of a process you've practiced time and time again. You're not hoping you can do it. You know you can.